Guys, this is Dhruv, and this is the final video of our prototype, the Arduino LED memory game. So I'm just going to give you a brief introduction of our prototype. So these LEDs light up in a certain sequence, and the buttons are used to repeat that sequence, and when you're successful, the level is increased, and that is the game that we have made with the Arduino Uno. So we tried a lot of options to make a big grid, such as this one. This is the 64 button grid with 8 rows and 8 columns. So we got a 64 button shield that is an extension to the Arduino Uno. How does this works? Like, you have 8 buttons for rows and 8 buttons for column, and we got 16 buttons, and we hooked up 4 LEDs in the PCB, and this is the touch sensitive buttons that we got.
Okay guys, I'll give you a walkthrough of our final prototype which we have here running, and tell you what all we have used to implement this. We've used these buttons, LEDs, some rainbow wires, and a potentiometer. Now how this works, it's a game which has different levels, and as you go through the levels you'll get a score on the screen. Now if I start the game, and it starts from level 1, in which 2 LEDs will light up, and when you press the correct sequence, the green LED will give you feedback that you entered a right sequence. Now it will also show you a score if for each correct answer, and you can also set the speed for each level using this potentiometer. Now it can be adjusted to either faster or slower according to the user. Now if I press, now for the level 2, I'll try to press the correct sequence. Yeah, we have it, and it will now progress to level 3, which will give you four lights. Now I'll press a wrong sequence to show you a wrong answer, and the score gets deducted, if you can see over there. It also shows each level and the speed. Now this potentiometer can be used by the user to set the speed. Now if you're finding the game too easy or too difficult, you can set it to fast or slow. Like, yeah. Now I've just increased the speed, and I'll try to answer it correctly. Yeah. Oh, forget it. I'll set it to slow now. I guess I'll need more slow. Yeah, that's the correct speed for me. Okay. We also tried to hook up 2 Arduinos at the same time, but by the time we had this idea and we thought of this design idea, we did not have sufficient time to implement that. So these were the roadblocks which we faced during the development of a prototype, and that's the reason we are left with this, and yeah, that's it.